Revered Nigerian Action Congress, all protocol duly observed and respected. Gentlemen of the press, we are pleased to welcome you to this important press conference, which is called to address the issues arising from the numerous acts of corruption and misappropriation of public funds perpetrated by the corrupt leadership of Dr. Ahmed Audi, the Commandant General of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps. As you may be aware, 2 weeks ago, we have had cause to stage a protest to the National Assembly calling for the removal of the Commandant General of the Civil Defense Corps and also presented the list of demands to the National Assembly by our platform, which, if implemented, will no doubt help in sanitizing the Civil Defense Corps with a view to ensuring transparency and accountability in the running of the paramilitary agency, and also put in mechanisms to help the NSCDC achieve the core mandate of its establishment. After reviewing the developments about the running of the affairs of the NSCDC, the recent outcry by the officers of the corps, in lieu of the fact that there is ongoing attempt to coerce officers and men of the service to subscribe to a Kekena Faith Law Empowerment Program, which no doubt serve the selfish interests and material aggrandizement of the Commandant General and his cronies. We make bold to say that CG is a corrupt man, and his continuous stay in office is capable of jeopardizing President Muhammadu Buhari's policy of zero tolerance for corruption and corrupt practices. We are on this struggle as patriotic citizens and stakeholders in the Nigerian project, as we wish to play our patriotic role by exposing the acts of corruption that is capable of sullying the image of our country, Nigeria, amongst the community of nations. Based on details of happenings and evidence of our naked confirmations within the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, we wonder whether if truly the anti-corruption fight of Mr. President is really beaten. If other paramilitary agencies can be cleaned, why is the silence over the corrupt leadership of Dr. Ahmed Audi at the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC? Why is everyone looking the other way on the issues happening in the NSCDC? Today, as we speak, Dr. Audi is the Accountant General, Procurement Officer, Cashier, Project Supervisor, Contractor, and everything that has to do with the finance in the NSCDC. All because he has planned out how to loot dry the NSCDC. But the bad news is that we as civil society organizations that have been in partnership with other patriotic citizens of this nation in the fight against corruption will not let him have his way in looting dry the NSCDC. We wish to affirm, without any iota of doubt or contradiction, that the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, as of today, bedeviled with the multiple acts of corruption that warrant the immediate and urgent intervention of President Muhammadu Buhari to save the NSCDC from Dr. Ahmed Audi. And most importantly, removing Dr. Audi will go a long way to save public funds and ensuring his diligent prosecutions for several acts of misappropriation meant for the enhancement of the effectiveness of the NSCDC. We are of the belief that Mr. President and the National Assembly may not know the full extent of the roots that corruption within the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC, But the fact still remains that the NSCDC needs serious sanitization agenda of Mr. President of getting the reek of corruption must come to reality. Finally, we wish to reiterate our earlier stance that unless and until President Muhammadu Buhari sack Dr. Ahmed Audi, we will never back down on this struggle to get corrupt public officials out of office. I remain my humble self, Comrade Bello Usman, spokesman, Revered Nigerian Action Congress. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights.